Calendula is not a forceful plant. It does not rush the body. It does not demand change. It arrives with softness. Across centuries, calendula has been associated with gentle restoration, warmth, and gradual healing. Not the kind of healing that overwhelms, but the kind that happens quietly, layer by layer. This plant was traditionally used when the body needed reassurance rather than intensity, when tenderness was required, when healing needed to unfold slowly without pressure. Calendula teaches that softness is not weakness, it is intelligence. At Flora Amora, we work with herbs that honor the body's pace, plants that support restoration gently and respectfully, without force or urgency. Our mission is to reconnect people with plant wisdom through intentional blends, education, and daily rituals that support balance, softness, and sustainability. If you feel drawn to herbs that restore rather than stimulate, you can visit floraamora.org to explore our herbal library and offerings. Calendula has been used across Europe, the Mediterranean, and many traditional systems as a plant of soothing support. Its bright, sun-colored petals were seen as symbols of warmth and protection. A reminder that healing does not always arrive dramatically. Sometimes it arrives as comfort. Calendula was often used when the body felt irritated, sensitive, or overwhelmed. Not to override symptoms, but to support the body's natural capacity to calm and repair itself. This approach reflects an older understanding of health, one rooted in patience. In traditional herbal practices, calendula was commonly prepared as teas, infusions, oils, and topical applications. It was used both internally and externally. This dual use speaks to its nature. Calendula supports boundaries, the spaces where the body meets the world. Skin, digestion, and emotional sensitivity are all places where overload can occur. Calendula was respected as a plant that helps soften these edges. It encourages the body to feel safe enough to release tension. From a nervous system perspective, gentleness matters. When the body has been under prolonged stress, even strong interventions can feel overwhelming. The system needs calm signals before it can reorganize. Calendula supports this by offering a sense of warmth and reassurance, not excitement, not urgency. This makes it especially meaningful during periods of recovery, emotional sensitivity, or transition. Calendula also carries an emotional teaching. It reminds us that healing does not need to hurt, that growth does not require struggle, that restoration can feel nurturing instead of challenging. In a culture that often glorifies intensity, calendula offers an alternative path, one rooted in kindness toward the body. Traditionally, calendula was associated with daily care rather than crisis response. It was used regularly, not reactively. This regularity allowed its effects to build gently over time, creating an environment where healing could occur naturally. Calendula teaches consistency without pressure. Symbolically, the plant reflects the energy of the sun, not blazing heat, but steady warmth, a warmth that supports life quietly and continuously. This symbolism mirrors how true healing often works. It unfolds gradually, with patience, with trust. In modern life, many people experience sensory overload, emotional fatigue, and physical tension. Calendula offers a reminder that softness is a valid response, that slowing down can be productive, that gentleness can be powerful. This is why calendula continues to resonate across generations and traditions. At Flora Amora, we see Calendula as a plant of integration, one that helps the body settle while other shifts take place. It aligns deeply with our belief that healing is not about forcing change. It is about creating safety for change to happen naturally. If Calendula resonates with you, you can explore more about this plant and other traditional herbs at floraamora.org. Our herbal library is designed to be a calm, grounded space for learning, a place where plant wisdom is shared without overwhelm. Calendula reminds us that the body does not need to be pushed, it needs to be supported, and sometimes the most transformative healing happens not through intensity, but through warmth, patience, and gentle care.